guys, welcome back. Today we have an American lock mortise cylinder. As you can see, we do have the keys. You can see the American lock stamp there. Works very nicely, very smooth. Even got American Lock Company stamped on the side of the cylinder itself. It's a very nice cylinder. Works very smoothly. And there's the key. So let's pick it. It can be a bit of a challenge to pick sometimes, but we'll give it our best go. So I'm going to use clumb number 9 hook to get around this tight warding. That's it open. So you can see that we do have some very tight warding here, and I think that's how most people struggle with these cylinders, but we got lucky. It opened quite quickly, so now we're going to gut it. I don't often gut locks, so I should do it more often, but here we go. Take these screws out. That should come out there. These were very torqued up when I first got the cylinder. Very tight in. I had to loosen them up. And there's a little tailpiece. Okay. I'll have to use my Foxy 3 plug follower, because it's the only one I have that has a groove in the end. So it's very useful. It fits perfectly for these cylinders. Okay, so it's a 6-pin core, but we only have 5 pins. I'll just show you that. Okay, so let's gut it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all standards, as you might expect. And at the top we have number 1. Ooh, we've got spring 2. Is a standard. 2 is a standard. 3 has disappeared. Where did it go? I have no idea where that just went. Oh, there it is. 3 is a standard. Just as well I have my new lab pinning mat. 4 is a standard too. And 5... 5 is also a standard. So we've got all standard pins. That will be why it's quite hard to get feedback out of this cylinder. There we go. So yeah, it's quite a nice lock. It's always nice to get a lock with 2 keys, because you don't often get locks with 2 keys. They usually only come with 1 key. So that's nice. So thank you very much, Randy Perkins, for sending the cylinder to me. I can definitely see why some people struggle with the tight keyway. If the camera will focus. Yeah, with the tight keyway there. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.